Which of the following most accurately describes the volume of cube function? The function volume of cube, side, curly braces return side by side by side. Volume of cube is 5. Output is 125. It is a function declaration. It is a function expression. It is an arrow function. It is a anonymous function. It is definitely a function declaration. Which of the following best describes what a function in JavaScript is used for? A function allows for the use of mathematical operators. A function is a reusable piece of code that can accept input and performs a specific task. That's the one. What is wrong with the code snippet provided? Const greeting, missing parentheses between the equal and the arrow function syntax. The greeting function is missing a set of parentheses between, Which of the following is a parameter in the block of code below? The number and phase is a parameter, number and phase. Okay, so the code prints I ran 3 miles at an average of undefined per mile. Why does the text include undefined? The call to the workout journal is missing a second argument. Yeah, it's missing a second workout journal, missing a second argument. What will be printed to the console? Const eat fruit equals apple. Console.log this fruit is delicious. Call argument call eat fruit. So it will be this apple is delicious. Which correctly represents the most condensed form of the function? Recall that this syntax is also known as concise body. Radius return method py. Which of the following is the correct way to call the function below? Const multiply equals number console.log 3 times number. That number is incorrect. There shouldn't even be parentheses there. To call the function, so it's going to be this one. What's the purpose of a parameter? To specify actual values passed to a function, to allow a function to accept data, to call a function. To allow a function to accept data. What will this code print to the console? Const sleep timer equal alarm. Another error there. Console.log my alarm is set for plus alarm sleep timer. So sleep timer 8:30. It's going to say my alarm is set for 8:30. That's it.